Okay, on the Pixar in a Box, the bouncing ball. Save your animation right here. Once you have your settings so that you have your bouncing ball, you have it going left to right, you have a squish and a stretch, you have a rotation from left to right, then you're going to press save right here. In this dialog box, you have to copy and paste everything in this box all the way down. Control C to copy. Then click here where it says copy all the text in the box. So you're going to click that and Control V to paste. If that X shows up on line 51, you got to take that away, and then you're going to have your bouncing ball right there. So how to turn this into Google Classroom. First, you want to rename it. So this was Multimedia Bouncing Ball, so we can go MM Bouncing Ball. So that's renamed it. Save as, yes. And then it's going to give us a link. It's renamed. I see my finished product. I go up here to the URL address, Control C to copy, and then go back to Google Classroom, to the bouncing ball, assignment, and then you're going to turn it in as usual. And that's that. If you have any other questions, hit me up.